everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get a lot of puppies, PA weather, and some life in there. So please do stick around, hit that like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I am Laura. I do have furry sidekicks with me. Right now is Loki, he's the white pupper. I also have a Jack Russell, that's my son's dog, that's Willie, and a beagle, that is Dexter, and of course Harvey. I don't know why I always forget to mention Harvey because he usually doesn't want to join, but Harvey is our kitty. All right, so it is Sunday morning, 79 degrees, getting up to 86. I think it rained this morning. It's going to be nice for the rest of the day. And I had to get up quickly. Billy wanted to go outside, so I was racing around. Threw on a one and done, which is one of my favorites. You're going to see this, I think. Did I already share it? My Z Supply haul. So I got this cute little dress in my Z Supply haul. If you haven't seen it, it's coming up. I love this. I think I did share it already. Got this in this pretty pink as well as the black. For shoes, I just grabbed Sanooks, my favorite flip-flop, put on hoop earrings, and I'm ready for my day. I love a good one-on-one. This dress is fabulous when you're in a hurry. I think it's still like work from home friendly, but it's awesome for the weekend for running errands. One of my favorite dresses they came out with this year. All right, I will catch you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. The gang is all here except for Harv, and it's 80 degrees outside, getting up to 82. Willie wants some attention. Of course, he's going to want me to spend all kinds of time with me today because I have black on and he's sheds white all over the place. It's unbelievable. I haven't had a dog that sheds so much as he does. Let's see, my Wantable style edit posted today, and it was kind of a rough road with that one. I had a different stylist. I don't know, didn't seem to listen to what my feedback was. Some of you made comments that you've had that experience as well with Wantable. I haven't in a while. I've gotten some amazing boxes. So I was kind of disappointed in it. I did provide feedback, and I did ask for my stylist Jordan back again. She's the one that seems to really get me consistently. So hopefully I can get her back. I did decide to, and now I'm probably going to regret it because I'm already seeing a snag, but I have dogs, so. But I did decide to try this little top. I thought it was just cute because it had the gold going through it. I really liked it. In fact, I could have put it on for today. I'm going to have to look at that snag. Hope we can fix that. And then I did keep these Dear John pants. I like the pinstriping. Thought those would be cute for work with just a basic tank and a blazer. And then I did get the new size of these pants. So I sized up. Hey, Willie, stop. Willie. Everybody loves you. Everybody loves Willie. See? Everybody loves you. Huh? Yeah. Everybody loves you. So I did get the next size up. And Dexter. Shh. He sounds like that all the time. All the time. So I'm sure it's annoying to you because it can be annoying to me as well. But anyway, so those were the three I decided to try. We'll see how that works out. And hopefully my next one is better. For today's outfit, I'm in all black, and I have on a cut from the cloth skirt that I got in a Trendsend last year. I have on a LNA tee I got in a Stitch Fix. Of course, throw on my gold belt. You guys are used to seeing that. And then put on these fun Mark Fishers in the black. I'm loving these flats that have a little bit of pizzazz to them. And for jewelry, my bracelet stack, and I put in bigger hoop earrings. That's my outfit today. And I think you're all caught up. And finally, the dogs are quiet. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. And it is a muggy, hot day outside. 81 getting up to 87, and it already feels sticky. We just went out there. This is not like one of those days that you do your hair when your hair grows in the humidity. That's for sure. And let's see, I went to my post office box last week, and there was this beautiful card from Leslie. So huge thank you for sending to me. The peppers are all worked up because we just went outside. They were taking naps before this. So this was a card for Wyatt and Zena, and I very much appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. I miss them both so much. It's not even funny. But I have a lot of distractions right now. We went a bit overboard. This is what grief looks like. And they're all very sweet and all very destructive. Just very destructive. Dexter, tell everybody what you did this week, yesterday. I'm going to tell them how you ate the remote, ate the TV remote. It was actually the sound bar remote, which I was over anyway, but we're not going to tell him that. But he ate the sound bar remote. It no longer works. It's dead. So I had to have my husband completely remove the sound bar from our television set in the living room. He ate that. He ate a tube of Bliss Tex this morning that I had beside the bed. That's gone. Tried to eat the regular remote for the TV in our bedroom. I caught that fast enough, just a few teeth marks. Very destructive. Oh, and this little angel here, Willie, got underneath my chair in my living room. And you know how you have like the felt cover that covers up all the mechanics of the chair? This one was nice. It had a zipper so you could get in there and work on it if you had to. Tore that, crawled inside of it, and continued to eat it. Yes, until I finally just had to cut the whole thing off. So, yes. Oh, gotta love puppies. And 3 of them together, they just feed off each other. Terrible idea. 1 would have been fine. It would have been fine. Let's see. For outfit of the day today, I have an Ever Eve outfit on. Ever Eve shorts. Love these. I think they were from 2 Trendsends ago. The same with this Ever Eve top. Love it with a little eyelet on it. Paired it with shoes from an Ever. This just came a couple Trendsends ago. Paired it with these, which I got 2 years ago. Love these. Love them like 2 summers ago. And then for jewelry, just my big gold hoops, a bracelet stack. These are all bracelets I got in Manila, these beads. And I think that's it for today. That's my outfit. All right, we're going to get back to work, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody, it is Wednesday. Time for outfit of the day. We made it over the hump, and it's so muggy out. I know there's a heat wave going on, I think, across the country, but 80 degrees here, getting up to 83, but super, super muggy. The gang's all here except for Harv. And let's see, my shopping haul of blues hit today, all the summer blues. I love that collection. You got to see the dress from Pistola on Saturday, right? So last outfit of the day. Just really cool pieces, I think, to get you through the hot weather. And for today's outfit, I am loving this outfit, actually. I threw it on just at a whim here because I was trying to figure out how I wanted to wear this cute little jacket and then make sure that I like it. Of course, I see just one little string here. So I was trying to figure out what best to wear it with, and I ended up pairing it with this adorable sweater skirt I shared in a Loft haul, I think it was a couple hauls ago. Just a basic Loft tank, right? Just a plain white tank, and then threw on this short sleeve jacket from White House Black Market that I shared with you guys, and I feel like it just pops. It's such a cute outfit. I love it for work from home because everyone's just kind of seeing this part. It looks dressed and pulled together. Paired it with gold shoes. I'm sure you're shocked. You'd be surprised. These just go with everything. So this one is by Dolce Vita. And then hoop earrings, my bracelet stack, and my necklace is by Goriana with a little seashell. Yeah, I love that. It has a starfish, and I don't know if you can see it, but a little seahorse too. And that's my outfit today. You two are silly. You're silly. I hope everyone is doing amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. Time for outfit of the day. First time I spoke today, so I sound a little froggy. Loki and Willie are here with me. Willie got in huge trouble the other day, and now he's been very, very clingy. Can you see his little face? Come on, Loki. Let's see. It has been raining off and on. We got some major storms last night. Oh, stretch it out, buddy. Stretch it out. Yeah. And so the mugginess continues. It's still warm. It's 72 out there, getting up to 85 today. We're doing this very first thing in the morning, so it's not 8 o'clock yet. And let's see, for my outfit today, I selected a set from the Loft. So top and bottom matching set. I love these shorts. They're very comfy. There Loki has to say hi too, and then, you know, it's playtime. And then this vest style top, paired it with shoes that I got in a Trendsend. How adorable are these? Okay, toenails, buddy. Toenails, that hurts. Love these for flats. And then for jewelry, I put on my Louis necklace and my bracelet stack. I think I'm ready to tackle the day, huh? I think it might be time for a toenail trim. What do you think? All right. I will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. I'm on my way to go get my real ID. I wasn't going to get one because it's a pain, in my opinion, when you're a woman and you've changed your last name. But I had to send off my passport to get renewed, so now I have no way to get on an airplane, and my husband and I are traveling next month, so just to be safe, I figured I'd cover all bases. It is just around 8 a.m., 69 degrees out, getting up to 78 today, but going to be cloudy. The rain has been coming. It cooled things down a bit, so yeah, for today only be a high of 78. That's significantly lower than yesterday, which is probably about 88. Let's see. For today's outfit, I chose my Charlie B skirt that I just shared with you this week in my shopping haul. I have on an Ever Eve top. I love this blouse. Just got it in my most recent Trendsend. You haven't seen yet, but it's coming up. And then paired it back to my Sorels that I got in a Stitch Fix. And for jewelry, my Louis necklace, my big hoops, my bracelet stack, the norm. And that's my outfit today. I believe I do have a funny for you this week. I think it is, oh yeah, I do. So Willie, who has been the one I've been able to catch on camera the most lately, because they all have very different personalities. But this one is Willie, very intent on chasing a bug. So it reminds me of Wyatt. He was just following this little bug everywhere, trying to catch it. So, all right, so that's my Friday funny. I'll see you tomorrow for one more outfit. Hey, everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. So I'm super excited. I was able to get my final Nordstrom picks from their anniversary sale posted today. Phew, I'm so glad everything came, so you guys still have plenty of time to shop that sale. Goes through August 3rd. After that, all the prices go back to normal, so make sure you grab the things you love. It's easy returns if for some reason it doesn't work out. All right, and for today's outfit, I have on a Tanya Taylor dress. You may remember this one from my Armoire. Love it. Yeah, I love it. I'm really deciding whether to keep it or not. I absolutely love it, but it is really expensive. And I'm trying to decide if I would wear it again, so I figured I'd better make sure I wore it, which I just have breakfast with my friend this morning, so I'm wearing it casual today. But I love it. It's so pretty. And then I paired it with this denim vest. This is actually from the Limited, so it is so old, but a classic. Love it too. And then I put on just sandals from Dolce Vita. I got these in a Trendsend. Clear here strappy in the front, and then the rattan strapping that goes kind of diagonal there across the top. For jewelry, I have on a necklace that my friend got me, the one I'm eating for breakfast. I love this one, little turtle. And I have on a Swarovski crystal wrap bracelet. And that is my outfit today. Just put on big hoop earrings. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. I will list all my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll let you know which box. And I have links for all the boxes down below. If you use my links, you'll get money towards your first box. I can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.